Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on meiosis, which was taken from the February-March 2018 DB exam. So let's jump in. The diagram below represents one of the two cells that are formed during telophase 1 of meiosis in an organism. Draw a labeled diagram to show that the cell during Anaphase 2 of meiosis for 5 marks. Okay, so the important thing to note is that they want it during Anaphase 2 and they've drawn telophase 1. So it's the second phase of meiosis, which is meiosis 2 that we're interested in, and we need to remember IPMAT. Interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So we are going to be drawing Anaphase 2. In meiosis 2, it's the copying division phase, and the point of this is so that the two chromatids that are holding, that form the chromosome, so there and there, those are two chromosomes, and we've got one chromatid, there's a second chromatid there, and then one here and one here. Those chromatids need to separate, and that's what happens during meiosis 2. Right, so let's start drawing. So we draw our cell. And it's important because we need to make sure that each of these things, we match them up. So each of these chromatids here need to look exactly the same in our cell. So in anaphase, it's where the spindle fibers pull the two chromatids apart. So we need to draw our centrioles on either side of the cell. Then we'll have one long chromatid there, the shorter chromatid there, that's also half colored in. Then we'll have one longer chromatid over here, a little bit colored in, and the shorter chromatid here, which is fully colored in. Then we've got our spindle fibers, which are going to join to each of the chromatids. Just make them extend, and they have been pulled apart. Now we need to label the diagram, so that will be our centriole. Then we've got our, this is the cell membrane. Then we've got the cytoplasm. Then this is our chromatid, and let's see what else we are missing. Then we've got our, this is the spindle fibers. Let's just make this line extend so it goes into the cytoplasm for the cytoplasm label. And then we need to just give our diagram a little heading, and this will be that we can label it as Anaphase 2 of meiosis. Meiosis. And that's that. That'll give you 6 marks. Or 5 marks rather. So before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more videos like this, you can check out our website, which you'll find in the description below. Just a quick shout out to our sponsor, Style Balustrading. You can also check them out in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.